Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question.
Today's question is square paper. So in this question, we're given a rectangle piece of paper of dimensions A into B. Now we're wondering what is the largest square piece of paper that will get cut off from this rectangular piece. And our task is to find the maximum area of this maximum square paper. Now we're allowed to cut along only the parallel edges of the paper. So here we can only make either horizontal or vertical cuts on the paper. In the input format, will be given two integers separated by a space in a single line, which represents the integer a and b, which represents the length of the sides of the rectangle. In the output format, we need to print in a single integer the area of the maximum square that we can cut off. The constraints were given the integers a and b, which are in between 1 and 5. Now for the solution, we can have a rectangle either like this or like this. And the maximum side, like the maximum length of the side of the square would be the minimum of a comma b, right? So for example, in a rectangle like this, the maximum area that we can have is this, and we can also get like a side from here, and this would be the maximum area that we can get. Similarly, in this, the maximum area or the maximum side that we can get would be cut something like of length b over here and have b square area like this. So the answer is going to be, we define another variable side which is min of a comma b, and the answer would be simply side square. Now let's see the sample inputs to verify our solution. So we have 2 comma 3. The min of 2 comma 3 is 2, and the answer is 2 square, which is 4. Here the min of 4 comma 3 is 3, and the 3 square is 9, which is the answer. Now let's see the solution in Python and C++. So this is the solution in Python. So we'll begin by taking an input of a comma b using map input input. So what are we doing over here? So first of all, we're taking in the input of the whole line as a string, splitting it with respect to spaces. So this will give us a list of strings. And then we'll convert that list of strings into integers and map them inside a comma b. Our side is min of a comma b, and our answer is side square. Now let's see the solution in C++. We'll begin by taking in the input of a and b using cin. Our side is nothing but min of a comma b. Our answer is simply side square, so we'll print side into side using the cout. Now that's the whole solution. The time complexity of both the Python and C++ solution is constant because we are doing a very few number of constant time operations, and that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.